Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about easy to digest recipes. I'm a doctor, and for those of you who are new here, I make health and wellness content that is educational and entertaining. So if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. So today I want to talk about some quick, easy recipes that are also easy to digest. Because one of the most common complaints I hear from patients in the clinic is they have IBS, or they suspect they have IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome. And they're looking for foods and recipes that won't upset their stomach, that won't cause them more gas, bloating, or pain. There is actually quite a bit of research behind me here that shows that certain foods can be helpful or harmful depending on your situation with IBS. And of course, everyone is different. So it's going to take a little trial and error. But in general, there are some good rules of thumb when it comes to cooking with IBS in mind. And those rules of thumb are no one. Try to avoid dairy. So no milk, cheese, yogurt, or butter. Use non-dairy alternatives like coconut milk or almond milk. Avoid butter and use olive oil instead. Avoid processed foods and refined sugars. Try to stick with whole foods that are less processed and contain less sugar. If you do add sugar, make sure it's a natural sugar like coconut sugar or honey, and not a refined white sugar. Another rule of thumb is to avoid fried foods because they are hard to digest and may cause more gas and bloating. And lastly, avoid spicy foods because they can aggravate your stomach and worsen your symptoms. Instead, opt for bland foods that are easier to digest, like chicken, fish, rice, potatoes, or pasta. You can season these with herbs and spices to add flavor without the spice. Alright, so now that we understand the basics of IBS-friendly cooking, let's dive into some easy recipes that you can make at home. The first recipe is a salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a great source of protein and healthy fats, and it's easy to digest. Just make sure to cook it thoroughly so it's not raw inside. Roasted vegetables are also a great side dish because they're easy to digest and full of fiber. To make this recipe, simply season salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and any other desired herbs and spices. Place them in a baking dish and add chopped vegetables like carrots, potatoes, broccoli, or bell peppers. Drizzle some olive oil over the dish and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. You can serve this warm with a side of brown rice or quinoa if you want. This meal is high in protein and healthy fats, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals from the salmon and vegetables, making it a nutritious choice for people with IBS. Our next recipe is chicken and brown rice soup. This soup is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which are essential for people with IBS. The chicken provides protein, the brown rice provides fiber, and the olive oil adds healthy fats. Plus, the vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions add extra nutrients and fiber. To make this recipe, start by chopped onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil. Add in cooked, shredded chicken, uncooked brown rice, water or chicken broth, and bring it to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until the rice is tender. Season with salt, pepper, and any other desired herbs and spices. You can add in cooked barley or lentils for more protein and fiber. You could also add in some spinach or kale towards the end of cooking. If you find the soup too thick, you can add more water or broth. If you find the soup too thin, you can add more brown rice or barley. Serve the soup warm and enjoy. Next up is turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. This dish is a healthier take on traditional spaghetti and meatballs. The ground turkey provides protein, the zucchini noodles provide fiber, and the tomato sauce adds flavor and nutrients. To make this recipe, mix ground turkey with grated zucchini, minced garlic, and any desired herbs and spices. Form the mixture into meatballs and brown them in a skillet. Add tomato sauce and simmer until the meatballs are cooked through. Serve the meatballs over zucchini noodles and enjoy quinoa. And add Parmesan cheese if you want, but remember that dairy can be difficult for some people to digest, so make sure to choose wisely. Another recipe to try is baked sweet potato fries with avocado dip. Sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamins and minerals, and they're easy to digest. The fries are baked instead of fried, so they're healthier, and the avocado dip provides healthy fats and fiber. To make this recipe, cut sweet potatoes into fries, toss them with olive oil and any desired herbs and spices. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. While the fries are baking, mash half an avocado with lemon juice and cilantro and season it with salt and pepper. Serve the fries warm with the avocado dip and enjoy. This meal is a fun and tasty alternative to traditional French fries, and it's packed with nutrients. Next, we have lemon herb roasted chicken. This recipe is simple and elegant, and it's easy to digest. Chicken is a great source of protein, and the lemon herb seasoning adds flavor without being too spicy. To make this recipe, place a whole chicken or chicken pieces in a baking dish and rub them with olive oil. Add chopped fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage, along with lemon peel and juice. Season with salt and pepper and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour or until the chicken is cooked through. Serve the chicken with the pan juices and enjoy. This meal is perfect for a special occasion, and it's packed with protein and healthy fats. Next, we have quinoa salad with black beans and corn. This salad is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making it a great option for people with IBS. Quinoa is a complete protein in black beans and corn. Add extra fiber and nutrients. To make this recipe, combine cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, chopped bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions. Add your favorite vinaigrette and season with salt and pepper. You can add grilled chicken or tofu for extra protein and fresh cilantro for added flavor. This salad is perfect for a light lunch or dinner, and it's easy to prepare ahead of time. Next up, we have turkey burgers with sweet potato buns. These burgers are a healthier take on traditional beef burgers, and they're easy to digest. Ground turkey provides protein in sweet potato buns, add fiber and nutrients. To make this recipe, mix ground turkey with chopped onion and any desired herbs and spices. Form the mixture into patties and grill them to your liking. Toast sweet potato buns and top them with the turkey burgers, lettuce, tomato, and avocado. This meal is a delicious and satisfying alternative to traditional burgers, and it's packed with protein and fiber. Last but not least is baked cod with steamed green beans. Cod is a mild-flavored fish that's easy to digest, and it's packed with protein and healthy fats. Green beans are a great source of fiber and vitamins, and they're easy to prepare. Simply season cod fillets with salt, pepper, and any other desired herbs and spices. Place them in a baking dish and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until the fish is cooked through. Steam green beans until they're tender, crisp, and serve them alongside the baked cod. This meal is a light and nutritious option for people with IBS, and it's easy to prepare. If you enjoyed these recipes, I'll provide the links to all the recipes in the description below. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What are some of your go-to recipes when you're feeling bloated or constipated? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And as always, eat real food, use clean skincare, and only consider actual plastic surgery as a last resort.